Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to silence your Messenger notification sound in just a few simple steps. If you've ever been distracted by pings and alerts but don't want to miss important chats, this method makes it easy and flexible. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner where you'll see your profile or menu icon. Tap on it to open your account menu. This is where you'll find all the key controls for Messenger settings. Next, scroll down and tap on the option labeled Settings. This is the section where you can customize how Messenger works for you, including privacy, profile details, and of course, notifications. Now, select Notifications and Sounds. This is the main area where all the adjustments for alerts and tones are located. Here, you can control exactly how Messenger notifies you, whether through vibrations, tones, or banners on your screen. Once inside Notifications and Sounds, look for the setting that controls notification sounds. Toggle this switch off, and your Messenger will no longer play sound alerts whenever a new message comes through. It's a quick change, but it makes a huge difference if you prefer a quieter experience. The great thing is that you can also choose a period for how long you want these sounds to stay off. For example, you might want silence during a meeting while studying or at night. Messenger allows you to set a time frame, so the sounds will stay muted without you having to remember to toggle them back on manually. It's a convenient way to manage your focus without missing your conversations completely. Once you choose your preferred duration, you're all set. Your notifications will still appear on your screen, but they won't make a sound. This way, you can check your messages when it's convenient for you, without the constant interruptions. That's all it takes. With just a few taps, you can regain control over your Messenger alerts and keep your day distraction-free. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try on your own device and enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience.